In the mail order business, there's an expression called out of the box experience. In other words, you want people to be thrilled and pleasantly surprised when they get your package. You want the item to be a better value than you promised. You want to include some valuable unexpected bonuses. You want to create a wow experience for your customer. The main reasons for this are number one, to prevent buyer's remorse. Number two, to endear the customer to you so they'll continue to do business with you. How you can utilize this same idea is by creating a new customer welcome package. The first thing you should do is send out what I call a stick letter. It means that you want to make sure that all the work you've done to get this prospect through the door sticks. This letter should go out in the mail the very same day you see your prospect. Here's a short example. Welcome, dear Mr. Prospect. It's a pleasure to have you as a new customer. You're part of a very elite group of people who appreciate great jewelry, so I hope you feel as special as I do that we've met and started what I expect will be a long and successful relationship together. I want to make sure that you get all the help, advice, and guidance you need to help you find and choose the perfect jewelry for yourself and all those gifts you need. I have structured my store with exactly that goal in mind. But if I or any of my staff can be of any additional help, or if you have any questions, please ask. That's what we're here for, to serve you. I hope you don't mind that I'll be in regular contact with you by mail or phone. I don't get new customers and then only contact them at the buy my jewelry time. I consider all my customers friends and part of our family here. Please don't hesitate to contact me if I can be of any help to you. Thanks again and welcome. Sincerely, Michael Johnson. P.S. Keep an eye out for your new customer welcome package, which will be arriving on your doorstep any day now. Think about it. How would you feel if you received a personalized letter like that within a day or two after making a buying decision with a business? I can't recall ever getting a letter like this from hundreds of places I've done business with. I spent tens of thousands of dollars with some companies but have never received a letter like this. Why not? It only takes a couple minutes and a first-class stamp, but the potential reward is enormous. This one technique alone will set you apart from all your competition and endear you to your customers. After 2 or 3 days, you should send out your new customer welcome package. Just some of the items you can include in it are a copy of your book or special report we talked about earlier, a few back issues of your newsletter, a page with links to your best content on your website, 4 testimonials and reviews from some of your customers about products they purchased, 5 reprints of articles that have been written about you or your store. I'm sure you get the idea by now. Include things that have low cost to duplicate, like printed material or thumb drives, but have high value. A new customer welcome package, including the items described above, would probably only cost you $5 to $6, maybe even less. If you've positioned yourself correctly, using some of the techniques you've learned here, your new customer will feel lucky that you, as an expert celebrity, even valued them enough to send such a thing.